Struggling to add pronouns to your Pinterest profile? I will show you exactly where to find the setting and get it done in seconds. First, open Pinterest and access your settings. Then we will edit your profile, locate the Pronouns section, and save your changes. Start by opening the Pinterest app on your phone or heading over to the website on your computer. It does not matter which one you use because the steps are almost identical. Just get logged in and ready to go. Now, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You will see your profile icon. It's usually a small picture of you or a silhouette if you have not added a photo yet. Tap on that. This takes you to your personal profile page where you can see all of your boards and pins. Next, find and tap the Settings option. On mobile, this is usually indicated by a little gear icon near the top of the screen or tucked away in a menu. On the website, you might find it under a drop-down menu when you click your profile picture. It is the gateway to customizing your entire experience. Then select Edit Profile from the menu. This is the section where you manage your name, your bio, and your photo. It is essentially the control center for how you appear to other people on Pinterest. Now for the part you have been waiting for. Scroll down until you see the Pronouns section. This might take a little bit of scrolling because there are a lot of fields in the profile editor. But look for the word Pronouns clearly labeled. It is right there waiting for you. Tap the drop-down and choose your pronouns. You will see a list of common options like she, her, hers, or he, him, his, or they, them, theirs. Pick the one that feels right for you. If you do not see your exact pronouns listed, you can often type them in manually. Pinterest is designed to be inclusive here, so you have some flexibility. Double-check that the correct pronouns are selected. This is a quick review step. Make sure the drop-down shows exactly what you want to be displayed. You do not want to accidentally save the wrong one and have to go back and fix it later. Finally, tap Save to apply the changes. It is usually a prominent button at the top of the screen. Give it a tap and watch your profile update in real time. Your pronouns now show on your profile. Just like that, your profile goes from feeling generic to feeling like you. It is a small detail, but it makes a big difference in how people see and interact with you. And that is really what we are going for here. Adding pronouns is one of those small but meaningful changes that helps your profile feel complete. And because we walked through it step by step, you now know exactly where to look if you ever want to update them again. So go ahead and let your profile reflect you a little bit better today.